Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Agent Design, Planning, Memory, and Learning. Imagine an AI agent as a super-powered, programmable assistant, like a virtual butler. It can perform tasks, but it needs instructions and intelligence. We'll teach it to be smart. Before tackling a task, we need a plan. Think of a recipe. It lists ingredients, data, and steps, actions, in order. We'll program this recipe into our agent so it knows how to solve problems step by step. Our agent needs memory, like a human's. We'll give it a notebook, a database, to store what it's learned and done. This helps it make better decisions and avoid repeating mistakes. Learning is key. We'll teach the agent using examples, like showing a child how to tie their shoes. The agent observes, learns patterns, and improves its performance over time through something called reinforcement learning, rewarding good behavior. Think of short-term memory as your agent's scratchpad, holding temporary information for the current task. Long-term memory is the hard drive, storing knowledge for future use. We can design this memory architecture to suit the agent's needs. Reinforcement learning is like training a dog. You give treats, rewards, for good behavior and corrections, penalties, for mistakes. This motivates the agent to learn efficiently. Let's build a simple agent using Python code. We'll see how to incorporate planning, memory, and learning concepts in a basic task, like finding the shortest path in a maze. We'll briefly explore more complex agent architectures, including those using neural networks, for even more powerful and adaptable AI agents. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.